Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Glenda Ganzon once again, and for this video I'm going to teach you how to make a face mask out of our normal size handkerchief. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe down below. Click also the notification button, like this video and share. Before we start, make sure that our workplace is clean and our hands are clean. And the materials needed are a regular size handkerchief, fastener, and 2 rubber bands. Then we will fold our handkerchiefs into 3 equal folds. The fastener here. So this will be the inner portion of our face mask. Let's have a small fold here on top. Place the rubber band. Do it on the other side. And fold. And it's ready to wear. So there you have it guys, we will now try our face mask, which is made up of handkerchief. Okay, so this is the easiest way on how to make a face mask out of handkerchief. So, thank you very much guys for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, click the notification button, and like. Until my next video, bye!